Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into our settings, and you want to choose storage, where you should see your SD card. Tap on it, and then from the SD card storage, tap on the three dots and go to storage settings, where you will see the option to format. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove basically everything from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on format SD card. This will begin the process, and it's a fairly quick one. It only takes about like 10 seconds, and as you can see, it's already finished. So click on done, and well, you're done with the process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.